Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the various ways of keeping bins in a store and the proper utilization of the space. The most common way of keeping bins are by using these racks. These racks are very conventional and you can use these bins on the racks, but sometimes due to the size of the bin or size of the rack, the space wastes up. So the best way of using the bins on the walls are these kind of channels. These channels are very convenient to use and are more space saving. These are 3-foot channels and you can keep around 4 bins, like these are bin 35, so you can keep 4 bins on the channel, and one by one on the other you can keep the bins. If bin 25 is there, then you can keep around 6 bins on a channel. So a bigger one will be 4 and the smaller one like bin 25 will be 6. Bin 15 you can keep around 7 bins on a channel. Now these are the panels you can mount on the wall. These panels can be mounted on the wall and you can mount different kind of bins on it. These channels are of different sizes. The width is same. All the panels are of same size of 1.5 feet in the width, but the difference is only the height. This is 1.5, this is 2 feet, this is 3 feet, and the largest one is of 6 feet. Now the best way of using the space is like this. We have covered the wall with the bins. The center space we have kept for the passage. The other side we have placed double-sided stand. These double-sided stands are very convenient to use and are more space saving because we have hanged bins on the both sides. You can see that these are the bins we have hanged on the bins on the stands. So in this way we are using the space of the store. If you want that these stands should be movable, so we can put wheels on it and we can move these bins or these stands around your store. So these are the bin 25. The single side, on the single side we have kept around 54 bins. So including both sides, total number of bins are 108. This is bin 45. So in this stand we can keep 24 bins on single side. So double side we can keep around 48 bins. So again we have left some space, and this again we have kept a single side stand of bin 35. So in bin 35 there are 28 bins single side. So if you want to increase the capacity, you can keep again 28 bins on the back side of this stand by keeping channels. So these are the ways and the correct utilization of the space in a godown. This is the stand. The structure is like this. We keep channel on it and then bins on it according to the size of the bin. So these are the ways. The channels are like this and the panels are like this. You can keep our bins one on the another like this from the floor. This is known as stacking or stacking. If you have any query, please call on the number which I have shown in the description, or you can WhatsApp on that number also. Thank you.